So let me show you what comes in the actual box. So first up, we have the actual curler. It's very small, so it's great for traveling. You can put it in your bag, your purse even, and I'll get a little into the details about how to use it in a bit. The actual curler comes in this cute bag, along with a USB-C charger, which you can easily hook up to anything with a USB. 2 clips for your hair, as well as this comb to help with tangles and just separating it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to actually turn on the device, adjust all your settings, as well as actually curling your hair. So for starters, you want to press the power button for 2 seconds until you hear the beep, which means it turns on. So we're going to listen for that beep. Perfect, so that means that it's on. On this little screen, you'll see that there's a few settings that you can adjust, including the temperature, direction, time, and all those are adjusted between these 2 buttons. So this button, as well as the power button, it's 2-in-1. It turns it on, and you can select different things that you want to adjust. So you can, everything that I listed, you just press this, and you'll see that it's blinking on different things. In order to change those settings, you would just use the up and down one, and that'll help you adjust all the settings that you need. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust them to the settings that I like. So I'm going to put it at 300 for only 8 seconds, and we'll start curling my hair. So what you want to do is take a small piece of hair and comb it out. Not too much, but just enough so that the tangles won't be a problem. And then you want to put it in the curling room. You'll want to press and hold the start button as it starts curling. Let's see, there we go. And then once it beeps, the 2 times, you'll leave it in there. It'll continue to beep until it's done. And once it's done beeping, that's when you'll pull it out. All right. And there we go. There's the first curl. So I like it more loose. I did this one already. So I'm going to finish the hairstyle and show you the end results. So I finished curling my hair. This is the end results. It's super cute, and it only took me a few minutes. Remember to fully charge your curler before using it, and it'll tell you how charged it is on the little screen that we talked about earlier. But yeah, I like it. It was super easy to use, and there you have it.